Fact number 1. Did you know? The Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, is the farthest human-made object from Earth, traveling more than 14 billion miles away and still sending data back to us. Fact number 2. Did you know? A human sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, and release thousands of droplets into the air. Fact number 3. Did you know? The moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year, which means in millions of years, our view of a total solar eclipse will change.